smARTist, and I've been trying to do this video all day for you. I was going to do this video about answering questions that I thought you might have about the telesummit that's coming up, and then I just kind of ditched that thing after pretty much spending all day on it. And I decided that what I really want to do is I want to share with you why I do this conference year after year. Because why I do this conference is so intimately connected to why it's so important for you to come. It's a lot of work. I put in 10, 12-hour days, 6 days a week, 3 to 4 months. And why do I do this? Well, I do it for a very practical reason, because I feel that artists are so important to our collective health, our spiritual health, our emotional health, our economic health, that it becomes very important to me that you're able to put your work into the world successfully. But I also do it for a much bigger reason. I do it for a much bigger vision. I feel strongly that artists are carrying the flag of creativity sort of out in front of the entire rest of humanity. My deepest belief is that we come here to planet Earth. We're born on planet Earth. We all have a purpose and a vision to share with each other here on the Earth. And artists carry a particularly strong and powerful mandate. It's the mandate of making creativity visible, making it obvious to the rest of us who are also creative beings, but maybe not able to see it as clearly or able to manifest it in such a visible and tangible way. So this means that as artists, you have a gift, and with that gift comes a responsibility. And the responsibility is for you to reach out and embrace all of your creative life, not just in the studio, but with what happens to your art outside of the studio, with how you manifest it in the world, with how you put it in the world. Because that's the other half of what you're doing. You're making art, and you're also making a living with your art, or making your way into making a living with your art. So for me, the telesummit is your way of becoming a professional in a way that makes it sense to the rest of us. So you raise your hand and you say, yes, I want to step into this professional ring. I want to show the world that I take what I do seriously. I want to make it part of the world. And you do that by having the professional information in your field as a fine visual artist that you need. What's going on in 2011 that you need to know about so that you can put your work in the world successfully? How are you going to go about doing that? The telesummit is going to give you 12, well, with me 13, art career experts in different areas on how to price art, on how to sell your art in vertical markets, on how to get into Second Life. There's a whole bunch of ways you can do this. You can just go read about that on www.smartist.com, SMARTIST, smartist.com. You can read what the telesummit's going to do for you. I don't need to tell you that here. What I need to tell you is that you need to come. You need to be part of this group of artists who are saying yes to their profession. We're going to be there. It's coming up really fast. It's Thursday, January 13th is our first Mastermind Panel Day. Come join me and artists from 16 countries and 38 states. We would love to support you, answer your questions, do whatever we can to help you get into the world in a way that makes you feel vital and alive as you feel in your studio.